Your industry, whether it's logistics automation, process automation, or factory automation, SICK can support you on your path to the future, from digitalization of your assets and plants to your Industry 4.0 solution. Installed base services. Registration of the installed base. Quick, easy, and clear. Digitalization of your assets gives you a clear overview of the sensors and machines in use. Registration is done by the Installed Base Manager app, so you always have your assets in sight, no matter if they are from SICK or other manufacturers. In the next step, the Asset Manager helps you with digitalization. In addition to the installed base, you get a clear view of the necessary services and all decisive documents. For example, inspection reports in digital form. With live data to Industry 4.0, condition monitoring. Thanks to continuous condition monitoring, the monitoring box from SICK creates transparency in the cloud or in the local network. With the history view and logbook, no events or developments pass you by. Notifications are sent if limit values are exceeded, and these can be tracked in real time in the dashboard, from anywhere using a mobile device. Predictive Services. This historical data can be used to run data analysis and make intelligent predictions with application-specific models. This is how you can prevent unexpected operational statuses and optimize processes. With predefined or customized algorithms, you can increase plant availability and productivity and sustainably improve the quality of products and processes. Smart services from SICK. More transparency, improved availability, and increased productivity at any time in the future as well, worldwide. Finishing work for the day without a care. We think that's intelligent.